Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure stock analysis tool for investment research. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Begin by launching the stock analysis tool on your computer or device. Once opened, familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Settings or Preferences option. In the Settings menu, you'll find various categories for customization. Start with the Data Sources section to choose your preferred market data providers. Select the data sources you trust for accurate investment information. After selecting, remember to save your changes. Next, navigate to the Stock Screeners section. Here, you can customize filters to refine your stock search. Choose parameters such as market capitalization, PE ratio, or dividend yield. Once set, apply these filters to view your stock options. Moving on, access the watch list feature. Add stocks you're interested in by searching their ticker symbols. You can also categorize your watch list for better organization. Now, let's configure alerts. Go to the Alerts section in the Settings menu. Set up notifications for price changes, news, or earnings reports. Once done, save these alert settings. Next, explore the Portfolio section. Input your investment portfolio by entering stock quantities and purchase prices. This will help you track performance over time. Now, take a look at the analysis tools available. Utilize charts and technical indicators to analyze stock trends. Familiarize yourself with the different analysis options provided. Lastly, review the Resources tab for educational content and tools. Utilizing these resources can enhance your investment knowledge. Once you've configured everything, you're ready to start your research. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.